Why pay more in taxes than you have to? Keeping more of your hard-earned money starts with knowing the right deductions. Here are 4 key ones. Equipment depreciation. When purchasing a new truck or upgrading equipment, Section 179 allows you to deduct the full cost up front, rather than spreading it over years. Maintenance costs. Repairs like oil changes and new tires are fully deductible. Just keep detailed records to claim these expenses. Insurance premiums. Most premiums, including cargo and liability insurance, are tax deductible, which can significantly lower your tax bill. Education and training. Expenses like CDL renewals, safety courses, or driver training qualify as deductions if they enhance your skills or meet industry requirements. Make tax season less stressful and more profitable. Denim has the resources you need to succeed. Visit the resource section on denim.com. And don't forget to check out our blog for a complete list of tax deductions.